People think the law is 9 to 5. The truth is, personal injury litigation never really stops. There's always deadlines, clients in crisis, judges' calendars. They don't care if it's midnight, Sunday, or your kid's birthday.
It's true. We live it day and night. Clients call after hours, medical bills show up late, and sometimes our cases push right into our personal lives. Justice never sleeps, and sometimes neither do we. Because let's face it, Veronica, are we really sleeping with our children?
See, Mel and I, we have our hands full with a handful of children.
Yeah, so if we get to sleep outside of work, I don't think we're sleeping with our children.
And honestly, by the time you get the kids down to bed, you pick up that laptop for another hour or two to get some work done. You're already looking at 10 o'clock. By the time your mind shuts off and your eyes go to sleep, you're looking at 11 o'clock at night. And then for me, I usually get up at least once during the night and my mind starts racing again. It's about what's due tomorrow, what's due next week. Oh my God, did I do this? Did I forget this? It's constantly going.
Same here. And sometimes my children wake me up in the middle of the night, and then when I put them back to bed, my mind exactly is like that, racing. Did I get this deadline done with coming up on the court calendar? How can I help prepare the attorneys for an upcoming trial? Did I miss something important? Law it never sleeps.
Right. Who is it that says law is a nasty jealous
machine? It's true.
It's so true, right?
It's so true.
So most days when I go home from work, my husband will always ask me, "How's work? How's this? How's that? Anything interesting happen?" And he doesn't understand when I say, "I really don't want to talk about it," because my mind, it's constantly there. That when I get home and I shut it off for like that 5 seconds I enter the door, I'm just like, let my mind just be still for 5 seconds because it's going to pick back up. Something's going to happen. It's going to trigger a memory. And then I'm going to go back to a case and say, wait, did I get this done? Wait, this is a great theory on this case. Because like I'll be doing the most like mundane things with one of my kids and I'll get this thought and I'm like, wait, that works for this case. Like that's the theory. That's where I need to look at. That's where I need to dig into. And I have to leave for that 5 seconds, write it down. A lot of times I jot it down on my phone and then I'll go back to the computer later on.
I think that what you do really amazes me, Veronica, because I'm not an attorney. Everybody knows that, but I do still take the job home with me. But I've known you since before you've had children and 3 children later. And I'm honestly amazed at what you're able to do and accomplish juggling your work-life balance. I really don't know how you do it.
But for those of you who don't know Melanie, she's not an attorney, but she can be an attorney. Let me tell you, anytime Melanie takes a task on, it gets done as if I did it myself. And I'm just like, this is why I just need 2 of you. I need more of you. So I just give it to Melanie and then I sleep a little better at night.
And I definitely sleep better working with you and having you as the attorney on our side. I don't think we could have been like a better team. I think we've been working on and off together for close to 13 years now. And I love it. I just love our dynamic. I love how I love you. I love how we work off of each other so well. If I forget something, you remind me. I remind you if you forget something, which is not often. And I really and just at all of you and admire you and how much time I see your dedication with your clients. You really bring your work home and your work life doesn't stop when you clock out at the end of the day. I know you're at home talking to experts who you have such a good relationship with by the way. Veronica has medical experts. So people think we do medical malpractice and some might think, is that a bad thing they were suing doctors? But it's not. Sometimes there's medical injuries and medical negligence, and it's for the right reason. And that's why they have insurance. But we have amazing doctors who support us. And Veronica is like on personal phone calls with them. They have her cell phone. She has their cell phone. They can call each other on the weekends, and they just love to work with you.
But on the other hand, Mel, the clients love you as well, as do I. Let's be honest. Mel, if you can have such a bad day and you call Melanie and she will just listen to you and support you like on a 30-minute conversation too. It's never she'll never rush you off the phone. And I think that's why clients love her a lot, to be honest, because they'll just call her and it's like, Melanie, this is what happened to me today. Can you tell me what's going on? And Melanie will just stop what she's doing. She'll speak to the clients. She'll give them the update on their case. But more so, you give them hope. You give them encouragement. And that's why they really, truly love speaking to you, honestly.
Thanks. I really honor and value each one of our client cases, and I want them to know that I have the sympathy and empathy, because I absolutely do. Each case is completely different from the next, whether it's a failure to diagnose cancer, or if it's a brain damaged baby case, or if it's a trip and fall on a sidewalk. I treat each case the same with empathy and sympathy, and I really love all of our clients.
As do I, which is why I think it's important not to leave the job at the office. It's really important, not just to work at home as well. That's not what I mean by that statement. It's about integrating our personal life into our job, our personal experiences, because that's what truly brings the cases alive, right? If I have a mom, a grieving mom, it helps and it comforts them knowing that I'm a mom too. And a lot of times I work like 10 times harder on that case, because I know if that was me and I was that mom in that situation, I would want an attorney doing the same for me, as do you as the paralegal on the files, I'm sure.
Exactly. So most of our clients have our cell phone numbers, because
let's be honest,
we take the work home, and they know that. And our clients, for the most part, do respect. They know I have children. They respect the 9 to 5. But if they need me after hours, they know they can reach me. I might have my kids in the background screaming and yelling, but they know that they can still get a hold of me, and I can quickly answer their question and be there for them, so they feel that they're supported.
Yeah, but that makes you more personal, more relatable, and more memorable, to be honest, because you're drawing on those personal experiences and you're bringing them to your cases and to the work. And I think it's greatly appreciated.
Thank you.
As you can tell, we're not just moms, we're professionals, and we care, whether it's at home, at the office. We care about our clients just as much as we care about our families.
We're human too. We understand what it's like to juggle work life. We understand what it's like, because we might not have the necessary injury that our clients have, but sometimes we have family members that have been in the same situation that some of our clients have been in. And we're here to help. We're here to answer their calls. We're human just like you. And you know that if you hire us and you hire our team, you will have direct access to us. Most of the time, our cell phone, email address, work phone, there's always a way to contact us, and you'll always get a response.
Your injury, your case, it's not just business to us, it's personal. So give us a call, 516-716-4444.